Rosenthal Plumbing is a highly recommended emergency plumber in Santa Cruz, California. Having built a strong reputation as a reliable contractor, Rosenthal Plumbing has been providing expert and committed community service for many years. Their group of skilled plumbers is prepared to deal with a variety of plumbing crises, such as serious leaks, burst pipes, broken water heaters, and clogged drains. Your plumbing issues will be handled swiftly and effectively thanks to the company's timely and dependable services, which demonstrate their dedication to quality and client happiness. Are you looking for an emergency plumbing repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Plumbing. Why is repair necessary in the plumbing system? In order to keep your plumbing system operating properly and avoid serious damage to your property, repairs are necessary. At Rosenthal Plumbing, we recognize that keeping your Santa Cruz, CA home or place of business safe and comfortable requires a well-maintained plumbing system. If left ignored, small problems like leaks, blockages, and malfunctioning water heaters may become big ones. For example, leaks can result in water damage, the growth of mold, and higher water bills, whereas blockages can create disruptions to the entire plumbing system, causing backups and possible health risks. What is a common mistake in plumbing? Rosenthal Plumbing has pointed out that doing do-it-yourself plumbing repairs without the right skills or equipment is a common mistake. To save money, a lot of homeowners in Santa Cruz, California, and the other areas might be tempted to handle plumbing problems on their own. But these methods, lacking the knowledge and experience of a licensed plumber, can result in more serious issues. A little problem can become an expensive emergency due to improper installations or repairs, which can lead to leaks, water damage, and even major property damage. Where is your service area? The following communities in California are proudly served by Rosenthal Plumbing: Santa Cruz, Aptos, Capitola, Live Oak, Los Gatos, Opal Cliffs, Rio del Mar, Scotts Valley, Soquel, and Watsonville. Where is your Rosenthal Plumbing office located? We are located at 2264 Chanticleer Avenue, Santa Cruz, CA 95062, United States. Our phone number is 831-318-5470. Visit our website, http://www.rosenthalplumbing.com/.